All right, this thing, water pump on it is slowly leaking. I done a lot of stuff on this car not too long ago. Customer wants me to take care of the water pump before it gets really bad. And so, yeah, I'm gonna start the process of replacing this water pump on this thing. And I'm not for sure about what the procedure is. I think this one might be take a tire off and a motor mount. Let me set you guys down here. Got the old stretchy belt off this thing. It ain't got no tensioner down here. This power steering pump bunts up solid to the back of the water pump housing and stuff. Yeah. It's fun coming off, and it's even funner to get back on there. It'll be great. And this is how this goes. Of course, taking the power steering pump out of the way, you got to jack the motor up to do something, and then down again to take a belt off, and then up to get to the pulley, and then back down for something else, and then back up to get the pulley off. Yeah. But there's the water pump. Alright, this water pump at first I thought it was leaking right here at the axle, the shaft of it. However, it's not. It's a weep hole right there on the bottom side. Downhill slope now. Got the new water pump in there. Barry put some more stuff back together downhill. In closing, wipe off some of this grease here, whatever that happens. But yeah, no leaks, water pump's in there. Customer's happy, I'm happy, and get back forward to his job confidently, dependable. So I'm gonna keep putting away tools, and this is my special string, or my special tool. I invented it myself. It's called string with knot. It works really well. I got a couple different sizes of them. String with knot.